Hey everybody, this is Tyler with Apptoto, and today we're going to be going over our Zapier integration with just a quick example of how to populate a Google Spreadsheet with appointment information. So in Zapier, we'll start out with the Apptoto app. We'll tell it that anytime an appointment is scheduled to trigger the action. Then we'll tell it to create an entry in a Google Sheet. Specifically, we'll add a new row to the spreadsheet. We'll tell it which specific spreadsheet we want to use. And then we'll edit the template to say what information should go into which column. I already have a Google spreadsheet set up here with date of event, date scheduled, client name, client phone, client email, as well as any notes. Within the Zapier side of things, we can take a look at these available columns here to specify what information should go into which of those columns. Clicking on this will show us all of the available options here. So for the date of the event, we pick the event time here. Date scheduled would be booking request created at, and so on. Once you have all these fields completed, just click the continue button to send a test to Google Sheets, and then you can see that information has been populated right there. That's as quick and easy as it gets with Zapier, but if you have any questions for us, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll be more than happy to help. We can be reached at support@apptoto.com or at 888-318-3765. Thanks for your time.